This is Airbus Beluga, and I was always dreaming about seeing one. So today is the day I'm going to fulfill my dream. Airbus Beluga is just about to depart from London Heathrow Airport, and I'm going there right now to witness it. The plane is leaving in just 1 hour, and I'm already late, so let's go.
The plane was supposed to depart at 5:40. It got moved to like 6:40 something. So we came here back to Myrtle Avenue to spot some planes, and then we check, and it's departing in less than 20 minutes. So we run to the car, run to my car. I guess what it says. I'm leaving in 2 hours now.
The plane is just about to leave. We're in Terminal 5. It was delayed, but we're trying to make it on time, right?
Hopefully.
Going up.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our Airbus Beluga is going to be departing anytime soon, so we're just going to get up these steps. We don't want to go too quick, we don't want to cover anything. Let's go.
Already busy. People are waiting.